if I were to look at it from a sentiment perspective, there is a lot of supply that's coming in, net debt from traditional companies who've not been doing that, and this whole margin trading and the books having kind of blown up so much brings in a certain amount of fragility to equity markets. Is that that's my takeaway? How would you view this?
No, you're right. So when we sat down a few days ago to look at how are we viewing the situation in India, and therefore from an investments outlook point of view, how are we looking at the situation? I think by and large the fundamental situation in India seems to be improving. I think we spoke about that. From a valuations perspective as well, things are, I'm not saying that they're looking compelling or anything of that sort, but they're looking far more palatable than they were before. And there is a reasonable confidence in the earnings growth numbers that one is kind of expecting. So that's the the local equation, if one puts it that way. But the global situation is really where probably some of these fragilities are kind of showing up, which is this point about margin trading, which is there in the US. The margin trading book is at an all-time high. You've seen the same situation in parts of Asia. And of course, the fact that retail is driving a lot of this activity. So therefore, there is a certain amount of nervousness. And then if you couple it to the fact that equity supplies in the US are the way they appear to be, then the setup seems to be that of slight amount of nervousness.